Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Garbage Truck Toys is probably one of the most fascinating and educational toys for children, sparking their imagination while subtly introducing them to the crucial role of waste management in our daily lives. These toys not only provide hours of fun through imaginative play but also serve as valuable learning tools, helping children understand the importance of recycling, waste reduction, and environmental protection in a fun and engaging way, making it a perfect blend of entertainment and education. Number 5. JOYIN Friction Garbage Truck. This isn't just any toy truck, it's a fun and educational experience for your little one. Watch them learn about waste management while having a blast. It features a front dumper, side lifter, and rear trunk for endless play possibilities. It's designed to help develop fine motor skills. This set includes a dumpster, 3 color-coded trash bins, and learning cards with 30 trash images to help teach sorting and recycling. With working sounds and headlights, it brings the garbage collection process to life. The easy-to-use buttons are perfect for little hands. It's made with non-toxic, BPA-free materials and meets US toy safety standards, so you can rest assured it's safe for your child. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like. It has multiple functions, like a front dumper, side lifter, and rear trunk. It also includes learning cards to teach kids about waste sorting. If you are looking for an educational and engaging toy that combines fun with learning, this is the perfect choice for your child. This will help your children learn about waste management while playing. What people say. It is very functional and realistic. Movement on this thing goes. Very durable for a wild toddler. Lots of fun emptying the trash into the trunk. He practically liked the backup sounds it makes, just like a real garbage truck. Number 4. DIY Garbage Truck Toy. It comes with lots of accessories, making playtime more fun and encouraging creative thinking. Kids can even take it apart and put it back together using the included screwdriver set. This toy includes a fun sorting game with 40 cards to teach kids about recycling and waste disposal. It's a great way to learn while playing. At 12 inches long, it's the perfect size for little hands. The working trash arm lets kids lift and dump the cans into the truck. Press one of the 4 buttons on the truck, and it will flash lights and play realistic sounds. It's a lot of fun for kids who love trucks. You get the assembled truck, for trash cans, a screwdriver set, 40 sorting cards, and a beautiful gift box. Everything you need for hours of fun. What we like. This one lets your child assemble it themselves, fostering creativity and problem-solving skills. It also comes with cards to teach waste sorting. If your child enjoys hands-on activities and interactive learning, this toy will provide hours of fun and educational play. It's a great way to make learning about recycling fun and engaging for your little one. What people say. The sounds are great too. Almost 3 months later, it's still a go-to-play toy. The truck itself still works great as a representation of a garbage truck, and the cardboard pieces that come with the garbage cans have helped to teach our little one about which items go in which receptacle. Number 3. Fubarbar Bruder Garbage Truck. It's made of durable metal, giving it a realistic look and feel. Kids will love its authentic details. This tough garbage truck can handle rough play. It's perfect for hours of fun, or even as a collectible. With its detailed design and moving parts, it's a great toy and a fantastic addition to any collection. It features working doors and other functional parts for interactive play. It's carefully crafted with great attention to detail. Some parts are delicate, so it's best for display or gentle play. Also, it's smaller than you might expect, and some parts may be stiff. We stand behind our product. If there are any issues, we'll replace defective parts to ensure you're completely satisfied. What we like. Made of metal, it's built to last and provides a realistic feel. It's also a great collectible item for enthusiasts. If you're looking for a sturdy, long-lasting toy or a model for display, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for children who are gentle with their toys or for collectors who appreciate quality craftsmanship. What people say. My son loves his garbage trucks and plays with them daily and hard. Over the past few years, we've bought at least 30 different toy garbage trucks, and this one is by far the most durable and best quality garbage truck we've purchased. It's worth the premium, because the plastic ones break so quickly. This realistic cast iron garbage truck toy is a hit with my son. He loves its realistic design and enjoys playing with it for hours. Awesome toy. Great detail, sturdy build, and the perfect size for little hands. My kid loves loading and dumping trash all day long. Feels solid like a Tonka, and it's held up to lots of rough play. Number 2. Metal Garbage Truck Toy. It features an opening door, functioning load arms, and a detailed undercarriage. Everything works just like the real thing. It's built with sturdy metal and plastic for durability. Real rubber tires and realistic details make it extra special. Watch it lift garbage cans and empty them into the back. It's a fun and engaging way to learn about recycling. It features lights and sounds, just like a real garbage truck. Press the body or steering wheel to hear fun sound effects. It encourages imaginative play and helps develop hand-eye coordination. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor fun. It comes with everything you need to start playing. The included trash bins and carts add to the realistic experience. It's friction-powered, so just push it along and watch it go. The simple design makes it easy for little ones to use. What we like. This toy features a sturdy metal cab and realistic functions, offering a more immersive play experience. It also has lights and sounds to enhance the fun. If you want a toy that is both durable and engaging, with realistic features, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who love realistic details and interactive play. Number 1. Kidsthrill Toy Truck Set. It's a dream come true for kids who love to learn and play. This fun design sparks their imagination while teaching them about the environment. These durable, non-toxic trucks are safe for kids of all ages. They're made from reliable ABS plastic, so they can withstand hours of playtime. This set includes 4 uniquely designed trucks, each representing a different type of waste. It's a great way to teach your child about recycling. No batteries needed. Kids can have hours of fun organizing races and playing with these trucks. It's a simple, engaging toy. Looking for a perfect gift? This set makes a wonderful present for birthdays or holidays. It's sure to bring hours of fun and learning. We stand behind our products. If you have any issues, let us know, and we'll make things right. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It's friction-powered, meaning no batteries are needed, and comes with 4 different truck models. It's also made from durable, safe materials. If you are looking for a simple, safe, and fun toy with multiple variations, this set is a great option. It's perfect for kids who enjoy imaginative play and collecting different vehicles. What people say. They are well made and very sturdy. My grandson loves these friction garbage trucks. They are a lot of fun and go really far. Items could be held easily by children. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.